How to understand fast English conversation. Many English learners struggle to understand fast English conversations. Even they know a lot of vocabulary, this happens because native speakers often speak quickly, connect words together, and use natural expressions that are difficult to catch at normal speed. So, to improve this skill, learners need regular listening practice with real English conversations, videos, and podcasts. It is important to focus not only on individual words but also on understanding the overall meaning of the conversation. Listening to short clips repeatedly, slowing down the audio when necessary, and practicing common expressions can greatly improve comprehension. Over time, the brain becomes more familiar with natural speech patterns, making fast English easier to understand.